इस वीडियो में हम मोस्ट इम्पॉर्टेंट पेयर ऑफ वर्ड्स कवर करेंगे। पहला पेयर ऑफ वर्ड है क्वायर वर्सेस क्वायर। पहला क्वायर नाउन है जिसका मतलब है अ ग्रुप ऑफ सिंगर्स। सेंटेंस है द चर्च क्वायर sang ब्यूटिफुली ड्यूरिंग द सर्विस। दूसरा क्वायर भी नाउन है, इसका मतलब है an old fashioned term for a choir or a set of 24 sheets of paper. Sentence है the old book was printed on a quire of paper. Next है amiable versus amicable. Amiable adjective है जिसका मतलब है friendly and pleasant. Sentence है she was an amiable hostess who made everyone feel welcome. दूसरा amicable है, वो भी adjective है जिसका मतलब है peaceful and agreeable और friendly. Sentence है the two countries have an amicable relationship. Next है womanly versus womanish. पहला womanly adjective है जिसका मतलब है characteristic of a woman or feminine. Sentence है her womanly instincts toward her to nurture and care for the child. Womanish adjective है जिसका मतलब है having qualities traditionally associated with women, often in a negative sense. Sentence है he criticized her for being too womanish and emotional. Next है Ingenious versus Indigenous. Ingenious adjective है जिसका मतलब है clever and inventive. Sentence है the ingenious solution to the problem impressed everyone. Indigenous वो भी adjective है, उसका मतलब है originating from a particular region or country. Sentence है the indigenous people of the island had a unique culture. Next है corporal versus corporeal. Corporal adjective है, इसका मतलब है relating to the body or physical. Sentence है the corporal punishment was abolished in the school. दूसरा corporeal वो भी adjective है, meaning है having a physical body or form. Sentence है the corporeal form of the statue was imposing. Next है Feint versus Feint. पहला Feint adjective है जिसका मतलब है barely perceptible or weak. Sentence है the faint sound of music could be heard in the distance. दूसरा Feint noun है, इसका मतलब है a fake or pretended movement, often in fencing or boxing. Sentence है the boxer made a feint to distract his opponent. Next है Symmetry versus Symmetry. Symmetry noun है, इसका मतलब है a place where dead people are buried. Sentence है the cemetery was a peaceful place to visit. दूसरा Symmetry noun है जिसका मतलब है the quality of being symmetrical or balanced. Sentence है the symmetry of the building's design was impressive. Last one है Wreak versus Wreck. Wreak verb है जिसका मतलब है to cause or inflict damage or destruction. The storm wreaked havoc on the coastal town. Wreck noun है the remains of something that has been destroyed or severely damaged. Sentence है the wreck of the ship was visible on the ocean floor.